What would I even buy?
Waters from Keaton Beach to Ocmulgee River, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 18 nautical miles south of Buckeye Reef, moving north at 40 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats. Damaged vessels and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets.
Stop.
Expect wind gusts to 34 knots.
Stop. Stop.
Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Locations impacted.
Stop going to static.
Buckeye Reef and Marker 24 March. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Big Bend in Florida and adjacent coastal waters.
Stop.
Safe harbor until the
Stop your
hazardous
static.
weather passes. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special warning for coastal waters from
Shut up. And you be quiet. And you be quiet.